저다 배배 이기 그냥 좀 맞을 수 없다. 그래서 급수 인지 쉽지 개침물이 밑에 매버리 아니 로세 મં구지 인지도는 저거를 쉽지 개침물이 이 대대적이 비익이 양게 배주 매대로 소르시기 지기 능중세는 남미 레벨이나 이 종적을다 배바이 명문의 셰비니 비익생과의 쉽지 개침물이셔 소소 계획이 미지야를 샤샤네 벽이 비익 나는 여대배 벽이 쳐서兄弟 강삼지 소소 예배이나 미지기와 용그래요.得的，如果的话，民间的初步网友的是在没几不十分之多啊。个上当的马新队，你没几不相信我了吧？我可能上，这里车就是刚开始车就是呢，他拍出来呢，这张国来啥说了，depression 的这个面啥说了，那这里是这个多啊。俺说拍拍哪了？当时确实我谈的上路有点个知道，上路长大当时有点个结尾呢，第一刚开始推嘛。是的，你看，各个问题下下边呢，商界的去跟这张到下边呢，按商界的去，这些家呀，一个的排排一个药学的，排排给的药学的，的引起起来什么的，他这个是的modern Hindi也起来考啥的，按那 French、German、Spanish 这考好用，这一个，我说培养了这些家问的是也能接触很多。我那现在漂了能去马达公里，讲那里也拍去推了，20几公里讲那能去踏实热的呢，能去这些家呀的电影能写了好一些，对他我切上就好些一些。我真的是，这是相当的。
Oi. Oh. Sejere boda, tige suje kumbu sumo sumbo, anle pema dama jende chema, dene jike jeve tashi nongo, yawa dembe joran du yawa, jinde suma taje lado miche, jeje dama jebe nongo jebe chebe, soje choelang tashi da beji je, dene jike jeve tashi suba, Lombo kuye Tashi Choeling, Yanda Tuje Sungke Tashi Choeling, Tane Jume Tuje Tashi Choeling, Yere Kusu Tuje Tashi Choeling, Zulagane Lobana Chate Chini Jene Jo Takwa Choeling. Tashi Tuje Tashi. Oh, nasıl oldu? Unbe Tsenpa Yi Dube Choji Nene Jojo Jebe Tashi
That went before us and our futures Tibetan people. Through our language, we are able to preserve and connect to our own Tibetan people and our heritage, especially now as a day.
Ganden Ngamchoe kuti shune nande chala ngarazu de biyu gegen sungdu gyaki ani lamgen gen chikche dukche an duta pichen duta chigi nala tene sa pempa nima tando kompa yina tusu dungu dungu che sa pasang chene nima sung dukche ani lab naya gata ngarazu de kuti de mosung dus nage du de zata de tola de ngarazu serche ge tasang me changzo Ngamchoe re samong tido de tunjin gyapcho khari bugdu ngarazu mon tela gyapcho tenden manzo du shuya du sin de zata 개치슈디 다 로투 남바소레 한 장아도 산에 가봐요네 로투 남바소가 다 운내 남도 친한 튼제다 마소나 고티들이 야부주요레 디 인산 상월로게지 두스데 토라도 마소지 당지 야부 당지 한 디토라 마소지 레시디 토라 야부시 장아도 남바소게 디치침다 야부시 킨도 제비나 땡땡 디 모험보다 운내 펜도 친구지다 운내 다 마소 마소나 담으로 무치 공시 주가 조티레 가도인의 경우는 뭐지 가서 배워서 아니 차하고도 지지에 된 참으로 가서 출게의 리슈데 미냐분 증거를 가로 양다는 단계고 그래. 딘자 타티 겐쿠르티 제당서 하바도 되네. 파기 슈팅에게 아니 파마솔에 시작이 겐치고 그래. 가서 지지에 슈팅에 파마 넘버 속이네. 납달라티네 비위 납자 많이베. 나나 남주 수술 나도 거는 보고 소리야지. 가서 배 벽에도 인지미지 견토야지 아니 개좀 쉬우래. 진짜 중반에는 안 보고 소리지 공시도 못 소나 야부지 태그거지. 딘자 딘제게 다 돌아 상만로 배 차를 남주도 제비나 다른 어떤 데 세르지기 타도 디일런데 인지나라 세르지 인터내셔널 온라인 스쿨 단점링 초 가바카사나 어떻게 아주 초소요래 대답한 저완양바이나 안디디 리시데 모발야지 야부지 첨부지 차주부지 용도야 나주다 도스네 게요 디에서 안터리에 좀 독신에 운지의 체내 아주 사마 시부지대 가부중 디에서 아니 모험발에 투족하게 야구지 용받다 남롱 용받이 아니 위디오마게야 투메 겸준 체내 어다디 야구 용을 저와요 투지체 다시 텔레
말로 종면 제례 생활 땡젠 자존 샤베 세대바도 땡주로치 양도 아니 독세야 까망보지 패배 낭시 아니 공기다 가기 낭내다 송지 쉬어야지 당난조에다 공기다 강송화디 디 송지 쉬고야지 당난조기 같은 제팅기 라다 약속지 디레 삼게도 대낭내다 공기 토기 담자 시낭내 토기 담자 손바디 나랑서 다 배기 처당 릭숑 끼글라 속바 단 나망 망보직 독세야 디나라야 주되어래 아니 대송상 다디 손접 쳐야지 딱 나랑서 배 가와 강진기 아니 마음배 손자 다직 럽촉 다 망보직 나션 망보직 당 얘네 디 나랑서 다디 손접 쳐야지도 다 한다 먼저 세르체기 자장기 고치기 오네 에는 먼저데 Tashi Choeling Sheyen Tine Khang Dang Swiss Serche Nangbe Rikshung Tene Khang Ji Zo Gen Shene Ta Jik Tanda Chatok Ne Ya Ta Tande Chadela Ya Toi Neamgi Pe Misibe Kangen Jite Yinzang Ta Chatok Ne Nganzo Ta Jiki Tindegi Lopchigi Nayagi Dokse Ya Gogab Jik Tseche Ta 아니 다 니마 디링네 송 다치 나랑소 장군라메 네 다치 디네야 간덴 감체 첨묘기 송세당 공사초기 잠링 시대기 생다포의 두친당 다가나신기 공기 같은 제진기 다 두친 숨 냠좀기 통네 다 자동네 디네네 송다 치게 유튜브 카당 다 자동에 따지 따지 출력 에와메바 간데지 다 비익라야 도나연의 팽연 상말로라야 자동에 독세 양감속이 고팅낭체 롭도 제약이 다디 우족 나야기 다 두진 개발 젠당 아니 계획이 같은 제딩기 통내 될라야 아니 간조 우족 나야기 다 고조야디 독세이 아니 될라야 아니 냠숙 낭에 상말로라야 조조다 공사 초기 다직 도당 남바군도 당랑조 가페베 낭신기 다디 락렌나 게트베 참말로게 될라야 아니 용토베 양안조기 배선당 다 딘데지 독세야 gutik nang shayo ne lenje changmala ya di thone thukben sowe rewa dang ngonjogi molam dukseyi changmalola ya tashi delek thuje chena.
Tibetan online teaching program. Tibetan language and why it is important. Our language is the link to our past, our ancestors that went before us, and our future as Tibetan people. Through our language, we are able to preserve and connect to our own Tibetan people and our heritage, especially now as a diaspora scattered around the world. Through our Tibetan language, we are able to fulfill our role, which for hundreds of years has been as guardians and teachers of the Buddhist scriptures, the Dharma. The teachings of the Buddha are as relevant and helpful to us now as they were 2,500 years ago, especially as people struggle to make sense and find meaning in their lives, and where we are seeing communism and Marxism infiltrate the whole world. We encourage you to be a conduit and a connection to your country Tibet, to your people and the Buddhist heritage, and to your role in preserving and protecting the Dharma teachings. You can achieve this by knowing your own Tibetan language. Our mission of the online teaching program is as follows: to develop self-confidence and compassion in our students, to enrich the Tibetan cultural experience, to create opportunities for those who want to study the Tibetan language, to develop competency in the Tibetan language. And we will do this through our online teaching program, with the expectation that students attend teachings with a readiness to learn and a positive attitude, and to contribute to the well-being of others. We invite you to uphold the following values. Our promise and values. We strive to foster a cultural milieu where adults and children learn from their interactions with peers and from positive examples set by teachers and parents. Objectives of the language class: to ensure students speak the Tibetan language proficiently, to ensure students can read and comprehend Tibetan according to their class level, to impart basic knowledge on Tibetan history, Buddhism and culture to students, to imbue the positive qualities of our unique Tibetan heritage and culture in our students, to ensure the success of our program and ensure our students learn as fully as possible. We have collaborative responsibilities and commitments to which we must adhere. So, whilst we endeavour to keep our unique Tibetan heritage, tradition, religion and language alive, we would appreciate a commitment from our students, teachers and parents to work together to accomplish this worthwhile and important aspiration. We have codes of conduct for students, teachers and parents. Our students' code of conduct: attendance, prepare for classes, arrive on time and be ready to learn. Follow the rules of the school. Take responsibility for your own learning. Ask for help if needed. Use only the Tibetan language in the Tibetan language classes. Submit all homework and assignments on time and follow the teacher's guidance. Be seated and attentive during teaching sessions.
even when working from home. Dress code. Dress appropriately in fitting with the ethos of the school and with consideration for classmates. Class attendance. Attend classes regularly. When unable to attend class, complete the lessons and the homework. On the day the class is missed, attendance of 75% or more is expected before certificates will be awarded. Teachers' responsibilities. Prepare lesson plans and teaching materials according to the approved curriculum, including discussions, visual aids, presentations, etc. Balance our homework with students' other school homework. Evaluate students' progress and discuss results with their parents and the directors if necessary. Participate in educational conferences and teacher training workshops. Help students to achieve their full potential and develop their sense of self-worth. Empower students to be positive leaders in their classroom and community at large. Communicate regularly and meaningfully with students in order to foster good rapport with them. Focus on our values to enable children to become decent and sensible human beings. Parents' commitments. Ensure your child is punctual for classes, arriving on time. Always support and encourage children. Guide children to complete the assigned homework. Cultivate and enable a habit and environment of self-study away from classes. For example, peer groups of Tibetan language classes in cafes or online. Consult teachers if your child cannot complete the homework on time and submit admission forms punctually. We have 4 classes geared to the various learning abilities of students. Class 1 is for new beginners who have no knowledge of the Tibetan language. Class 2 is for students who are proficient at basic reading. Class 3 is to develop reading and writing skills. And Class 4 is reading and writing skills with the addition of grammar. At Sera J, we have set our 6-month mission from January 21, and this is to ensure our students achieve the following goals. 35% of our students will be proficient at reading Tibetan. 68% of our students will be proficient at speaking Tibetan. And 15% of our students will be proficient at writing Tibetan. Our learning project is international, spanning continents across the world. Please see our map for our contacts. Our program is supported and sponsored by Sera J monastery centres across the world. Our contact and supporters are Sera J Monastery in India with Geshe Polden as our contact, and Tashi Choeling Centre also in India with our contact is Geshe Jampa Choesang. To enable your learning, Teams software will be provided free of charge. You need only a computer and an internet connection to study. Also, to support and enhance your learning, we have a mobile app which can be downloaded for free. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to you joining us on our program.
Swiss tang lektin xuen serje nangbe rikshung tene kang shebe zobo tishin jelu nyedon jubshulu dawang abe ce sungini serje kerop tyongoba jizun losan dele chodang changzu tubden melam nambani Swiss shabu nangdi serzoki chargoda zubdu nangshin jelu nyedon jugulu dawa jube ce jigni Swiss shungi zedim tönze tujube wala tepki zangma sindi sane basalya Nguyesu sarzu shube payu seche chazangi yenla kemi choboshik chayu. Jelo nyedo nishulu dawa jungnibe ce julia, seche chazangi Tenzin Warya, seche Tashi Choeling da nyamlegi, niri mindoba shi goni, pyudu zor chadogi gi lukdi shushin yu. Zodir tadebar, seche kerub tyongaba jizun losan dili chodang, chanzu gishi tupde myolam. Dishin Ken Rinpoche jizun gintu chunpe chodang, changzu gishi tupden wonju. Tade Kendoba jizun Tenzin Jampa Choesang Rinpoche chodang, changzu gishi Ganden namne Sikyong dang lamdun wo. Gulin Tsogyang Chazang Rinpoche Ganden Ngamchoe rangdun rangji ki legu nawa jela dene, cangzu denbe chuzo di chung re. lu nye dong chuang lor jam gyuen gebe dongzo gande tirimbuji jizun losan tenzi pe sangbucho shabgyu gedin gyane sabge chuge kolo goyugi logyu rangshi tenbe jinjengi chuzo shigyang yin. Sane lubru zo gyube pyuri zolya rangi dumyudar chudan rishung pamegi yerub komsuyo sangmunam kongdor beyu maase sanegi yumilayang rangludan tumbe jizogi shepshuso dorna jino konskyamgyo chimbuchogi lanama jibe gongshiyam togi tamjishini di miyu zo shigyin. Densikagi kimbodan leryu gishi denshudo mimalya songju godi pyuri zo nangju ngozhedang lubru zo gyube pyuri zol geyi sabjong chojo dan jewe zaji tujin kala songzi sanimo namiliya lubru zo chado lubdi tishin pyuri nedu pemachiliya shabrim dushimba je donna chojo
serche online youtube di ngazogi ani gerba gaji mare shoyi tanda de lapra gaji ran chati gore dichitu gala nabaso ani dila gata trajida adi wala ani digala neme de tema majiro no shoyi sama tochena tashdele